everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here, and welcome to another episode of Domestic Goddess. Today we have a guest in our kitchen. It is none other than Max Adonis.
What's going on? Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
Thank you for having me.
Pretty soon we'll have the whole cast of Gogo for the gold through here.
Literally, you already had Teddy, right?
Yeah, I started with the judge, and now I guess we're lowering it to contestants.
That's shade. I love that. I love that.
Oh my God, what brings you to Vegas?
Just Gogoing it internationally around the world, you know, bringing it up to the desert. Is it the High Desert? Is that what it's called?
I think so. It's definitely dry.
It's really, really dry.
Yeah, that's for sure. I'm parched.
You're also in town for the Happy VN Awards.
Yeah. Just a lot of artists coming together for...
Now, I heard you were nominated. What are you nominated for?
Favorite peach. Can I say that? Is that allowed?
Best butt?
Yeah, best butt. Favorite.
You're nominated for your butt?
Well, that's why I eat so many cookies, you know, for my butt.
And here I thought I had the best bun in this kitchen. Well, damn.
You are taller than me right now, I think.
Yeah, I worked really hard on that. I try to be the tallest person in the room if I can help it.
I'll just like come down here.
Now, I'm excited because you actually brought food with you to cook, which normally doesn't happen. Usually I'm left in charge of everything, so I really appreciate that.
It's a very complicated set of ingredients.
Oh boy.
Because it's vegan, of course.
Oh, well, that's fine. You know, that's fine. All God's children, all God's children.
And it's come into a very completely, you know, put together, easy, ready-made.
Oh, it's
because
in a box.
There's really no work to be done, so.
I love that.
Mm.
You guys all know, as a domestic goddess, I love to do as little work in this kitchen as humanly possible.
And I know that, and that's why I wanted it to be easy for us.
If there's anything that's widely known about me, it's that I'm easy.
Hey, same, you know. It ain't easy if it ain't cheesy.
That looks like something to eat. What is that?
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Okay.
So the ingredients say we gotta make small balls and then push them down. So we need a spoon.
That sounds like it's perfectly doable. Okay, I have one spoon.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Should we get a second spoon?
Sure. Let me see. Let me turn around in my kitchen, my glorious chateau of a kitchen.
Literally. James, did you get the...
My spoon is a little smaller, but I am delicate after all.
Okay, so...
Oh, let's make them spoon.
Oh.
Yay!
The big spoon. Little spoon.
There it goes. That's more like it. There it is. Okay.
Okay, so... no.
Oh. Is that how you do it?
No. We do have to take... Wait, I guess we can use the bowl. Yeah.
Okay. I'm following your lead.
You know. Okay, so we just make that big thing into smaller things.
I can work with that. That's great. Okay, so we gotta take something small and make it, or we can take something large and make it small. It's like Power Ranger villain in reverse.
Literally.
I used to love that Rita Repulsa. I'm gonna take something big and make it large. Or what happened?
Oh my God! Wait, let me spray it.
Oh, okay.
Just in case.
Here
Okay.
go.
We love Rita. Honestly, Power Rangers was the serve.
Do I mold it or just smash it
I think
down?
we should
like
make it into like
a baby seal, just club it.
Yeah, like kind of.
I guess I should probably try and make it pretty. Probably for the best.
Yeah.
Now,
Cookie form, right?
Max, one thing I think is so fascinating about you, besides your wonderful work in the arts, is that you actually like travel the country in a van.
I do. I live in a van when I'm not normally like home or something like that. In Tucson, the van has been like such a cool experience for me to like kind of like see parts of the country I wouldn't have normally gone to. I would have just probably flown right over.
Is it like a van you converted?
Yeah, it was empty. I put a bed in there. I put like a refrigerator, a sink, and like a, you know.
Is it one of those things like the bed's really high up, so like you like hit your head on the ceiling every day, or?
Luckily not. Yeah, I made sure like you could sit up inside of it. There's been actually a few people who've seen my van.
Well, I have never seen the inside of your van. Just putting that out there.
It's been cute. It's been cute. I built it during COVID, like quarantine and all that. I'm stuck inside. and had like literally nothing else to do.
So you decided, I'm just going to convert a van into a home. I love that.
With no bathroom, but we make do, you know?
You see, meanwhile, I was just sitting stuck inside making videos of horrible wigs from Party City, so.
Honestly, like you during quarantine, like watching your videos was like giving me life every week. Like,
Thank you.
that's when I got like hooked on you, because I was like living for all the content you were making. And it was kind of just like a reassuring thing to know that like you would be posting a new wig video. And I felt like I'm actually learning something about hair, you know, even though I've never attempted to do, I mean, you could see my hair.
I mean, you attempted today, before we got on camera, Max tied his hair up into a man
I
bun.
put a man bun up just for y'all. We figured we'd both be in buns.
I'm very tempted just to take it down and turn it into a bouffant.
We're gonna do a hair tutorial next. No, but y'all have been like just like such an inspiration to so many people.
Thank you.
And like,
I know, but thank you. Thank you.
well, just like coming from like, your season was so long ago.
Yeah, it was.
And to like show like what you can make like out of what you had, your situation, just is the most inspiring thing.
What situation was that? Winning?
Winning, just being a
Coming in
winner.
first place? Yeah, I made do with what I was given, you know. Most people don't get so lucky when they get served their pie.
100%. Well, like my Gogo pie was, I was, you know, I was happy to get as far as I did, but like you're never prepared for like that moment where they're like, okay, like,
Oh,
see you next time.
for those of you who do not know, I already mentioned it, but yeah, you on Gogo for the gold was giving me life. And I was so sad when, spoiler alert, he didn't win. But
Spoiler alert.
he was very, very, very evocative. And, you know, you couldn't take your eyes off of you. My favorite moment was when you're in that leather jacket with the jeans. And you didn't even get naked yet. But what you did was just like, you did like a turn. And you did like a, like, honey.
I was trying to give like a James Dean fantasy or something like that.
It worked. It was just like, oh yeah, that boy's got it.
There's a lot of like content coming from Out TV. So, you know, I'm always like telling people don't take queer content for granted, because you never know like what the future may hold. And like that one movie Bros apparently was like a flop in theaters, and everyone's blaming like, can we trust like content like this to make money? It's like we should all like be very vocal about, you know,
supporting queer content.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially in the case of Bros, you know, even though they didn't invite me to be in it. But either way, you know what?
Come on.
I was happy to see it. I was happy to see it happen.
It's a good. It was a good movie. I was actually like surprised by it, you know. But it kind of like, you know, we need more. We need more stories. We need more people telling like what we're all about, you know.
I'm curious, was I supposed to smash these down like that?
I think we can make room for one more.
Okay.
But yeah, I think smashed
Might not work. Or...
like the burger, right?
Yeah.
We're making cookie burgers.
Well, I'm from Wisconsin, so I just assume like we smash everything and hope for the best. Or we deep fry it.
With some grits.
Yeah. I think it's ready to go in the oven. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Now, I can't get really near heat because I have lots of hairspray in my hair. Would you mind
Yes,
putting it in the stove for me?
of course. Come on. Okay. Oh, wait.
Other way, honey. It's okay. Yeah, he's pretty.
We did it. We did it. So now we need to set a timer for 9 minutes? 6 to 9 minutes?
Oh, we should have read the instructions before that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 6 to 9 minutes. Hey, Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes.
Oh, 6?
And then we'll just check on them.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're going to let these cookies cook and we'll be right back. Okay. Well, we are back and the cookies should be cool by now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to try and tray a couple. Now, I never worked with vegan cookies before. If you're wondering why Max is shirtless, it got dirty.
It got really hot and sweaty in here. We make do, you know? Yes.
Oh my God, I'm doing so good at this.
You're doing so good, babe.
Oh.
Doesn't want to come up.
Well, that one's the dog's. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try that one. That one's good. That's a good one.
Oh.
That one.
I think we did pretty good.
I think we did a great job. Oh
So
my
it's not
gosh.
falling apart.
All right, I think I have enough to fill the tray, and the rest of them can just live on this tray forever.
Okay.
Yeah, we can just put the rest back over here. They get the idea. We just need enough to try. Do you do this at everyone's house?
Imagine.
I don't know how you do things in your van, but here you put it down on the counter. Oh, wow. Wow, I forgive you. Okay, well, I think it's time to try them. Let's see how they taste.
Should I?
Well, you probably know, but I don't, so
Eee.
cheers.
Mmm. How's your first vegan chocolate chip cookie from my van?
You know, I'm not bothered by that statement, but I have to say, it's not bad. It tastes like a cookie. Like, I was expecting it to taste like grains, but it actually tastes really good.
Like dirt or something, yeah. It's actually got, like my favorite cookie brand. I think it's called Nami. And I think they call it like soy nami. Like a
Oh.
tsunami, but it's soy.
Do you get that a lot being a vegan, where people just assume that like, your food is very bland and tasteless?
And it's so funny because I actually love food. I love eating. When I found out about vegans, I thought they just ate salad. But it's more than that. It's like everything can be veganized.
Yeah, I just imagine people just walk around eating beets, like
Yeah.
an apple.
Literally, like holes when they eat like the onions. Apparently, those were like prop apples.
Oh
But
my gosh. But these are delicious. And oh my God, Max, I have to say thank you so much for being on Domestic Goddess. As an admirer and a fan, honestly, I'm so glad you could be here. Oh, yes.
we love that you support the arts.
Absolutely. I'm a big supporter of the arts. Now, speaking of, Max, where can people find you?
Instagram, Cork Swag. Twitter. I guess just follow the links from Instagram.
Yes, be sure and follow Max Adonis on all his socials. Show some support. Now, I have to say thank you so much again for being here. Now, when I say hit the outro, you just gotta dance. Can you as a Gogo boy, manage to do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, I gotta make sure sometimes, you know.
Well, thank you for having me, and your kitchen's amazing. I hope I didn't make too much of a mess.
Oh no, you were just fine. You were just fine. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and watch you try out the Sugar Pill X Trixie Mattel Oh Honey 2 palette. Or see iconic brunettes. Elizabeth Taylor. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll hit you with frozen cookie dough. So click it.